We are in Rwanda at the edge of the road Kigali Rwamagana, where people do different activities, especially farming. Peace FM radio has visited one among Burundian refugees named Burundian. He does agriculture and thought about how refugees' life was not easy for him because he lived in distress.
At the beginning, we were in difficult situations, like all other refugees, especially urban refugees who haven't any support, because when we reached here, we hadn't anything to eat, where we should sleep. Also, we missed clothes, but after I get a chance, someone lent me some money, and then I started a new career in agriculture of rice.
He says that the agriculture of rice gave him a status in the society and allowed him to create jobs for other Burundian refugees, also some Rwandan who live in his circle. He didn't stop by there. That status gave him the opportunity of another project of breeding pigs in Kigali Kicukiro district, precisely at Mbawe, where he has 15 pigs and a parcel of 4 which he bought in that district for his future project. Among those projects, he pretends to breed hens because it has quickly benefit.
It's a new recent project, but there is a gain. We began with some pigs, but now you see that we have 15. It's a project which gives a good production quickly.
Notice that those projects are separated by 15 to 18 kilometers for Kigali town city.